So I literally went dumpster diving in my pile of scrap wood and retrieved this piece of pine shelving. I only needed to purchase the dowel, which was great, and I'll share all of what I used in the description below. So all I need to do is simply mark around the coaster with a pencil to get an approximate size I want the coaster holder to be when I make the cuts. Now I just need to map out the placement of the dowels, so I'm using the perimeter of the coaster to do just that. I want the dowels to be spread out evenly, which is why I'm marking the areas near the corners where each dowel will be placed. To make the holes for the dowels, I am using a drill bit, and because I don't want to drill all the way through the holder, I've marked the drill with tape so I don't drill past that marking. Now I place the full length of the dowel into one of the holes, so this way I can mark the height that I need to cut each dowel. The dowel's pretty soft, so I can use a sharp blade to make the first cut, and then all the other dowels can be cut at the same length. A little light sanding is done on the edge of each of the cut dowels just to make sure the edges are nice and smooth. Wood glue is then added in each of the holes, which will provide a strong hold for the dowels to sit into. They'll be a nice snug fit. Now I'm gently tapping the dowels into the holes. I don't want them to break, so gentle, easy on the pressure. I want to make sure that they are also all even in height, and also make sure that they are lined up straight. So this is the only chance before the glue dries to make sure that they are secure in place, they've all got the same height, as well as they're nice and straight. And then wipe off any excess glue as well. Once the glue is dry, I'm using tung oil to seal the wood and provide a beautiful, durable finish, making it super easy to wipe clean. Only one coat was all that was needed for a very good coverage. I'll also be applying the tung oil to the dowels as well. That also needs to be properly sealed so the entire surface will get a nice coverage of the tung oil. I added rubber bumpers as well, which will prevent the coaster from sliding or scratching the surfaces of furniture. And honestly, this project was a super easy, quick project, and I'm actually digging how it turned out.